In this video, I want to give you 5 questions that you can ask yourself to build an engineering career strategy. A strategy for developing your career as an engineer into a manager and a leader. The reason I wanted to do this video is because I talk to many engineers through EMI's coaching and training programs. And engineers, we're very meticulous. We really think out our projects. We plan our projects. However, we don't do that with our own careers. We're not strategic with our own careers. A lot of times, engineers are just winging it or doing what people have told them to do or what they think the general career path is. Get this degree, get that credential. But I want to help you to be more strategic around that. So here are 5 questions. The first question, and this is one question, where do I want to be in my career in 10 years, 5 years, and 2 years? This gives you a short and long-term look at your career. And don't worry, the long-term doesn't have to be 100% right. But I want you to get something on paper to kind of help you see where you're headed. The second question, what credentials do I need to get to those positions? Do you need a master's degree? Do you need a certificate? What kind of credentials or knowledge do you need to get there? Think through that and brainstorm around that, because I see a lot of engineers that go for master's degrees that aren't helping them get to where they want to go. They're wasting time, energy, and money. The third question, what kind of experience do I need to get to where I want to be? What kind of projects do you need to work on? In what locations do you need to work? If you're not getting the right experience that you need to get to your goal, it's going to take a lot longer, if you get there at all. Fourth question to ask yourself, what mentors do I need to achieve my goals? And the best mentors for you are going to be the ones that are in the positions that you set out for your 10-year, 5-year, and 2-year goals. Those are going to be the mentors that you want to get. It's kind of simple, but not really unless we think about it. And last but not least, number 5, what can I do in the next 90 days to answer these other questions, to move forward on my plan? All right, so real quick, recap them. Number 1, where do you want to be in your career? 10 years, 5 years, 2 years? That's your short and long-term goals. What knowledge or credentials will you need to get you there? What experience will you need to get you there? What mentors or who can help you to get there? And lastly, what's your 90-day plan? What can you do in the next 90 days to move forward on these other questions and your goals? I hope you enjoyed this video. We put out videos weekly here. Please subscribe to our channel. We also put out many free podcasts, including our Women in Civil Engineering podcast series on the Civil Engineering podcast. But really, I want you to be strategic in your career and professional development, and if you do that, you will succeed. Until next time, I hope you continue to engineer your own success.